How to add coupon on Grubhub. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for grubhub.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, go ahead and scroll through and select a few products that you want to buy, as in order to be able to add promo codes on Grubhub, you need to have a few items in your cart. So, once you have added items on your cart, tap on your cart and further proceed to check out. You will then be required to add a few details such as personal information, address, delivery instructions, etc. Once you are done adding all the required details, tap on the Continue to Payment Method button and select a particular payment method and scroll down. You will then see the option for Add a promo code or Add a gift card. Go ahead and add the promo code or the coupon that you have in the Enter promo code text box or Enter gift code text box, and further tap on the Apply button. And with this, if the code that you entered is correct and not expired, then your promo code will be added successfully. So, this is how you can add coupon on Grubhub. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.